Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. Welcome back once again to the Mickey Masters channel. So you dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. Come along. We have a question on the board. It says, if 4 shirts, this question borders on proportion. If 4 shirts cost 1,200 naira, how much would 6 shirts cost? Now, the first thing, 4 shirts equals to 1,200 naira. So if 4 things, 1, 2, 3, 4, the total sum is 1,200 naira. We'll find the cost of one. So one shirt will be equals to 1,200 naira over the 4. Now this will give us 300 naira. Because 4 here 1, 4 here 3, 0, 0, 300 naira. So the cost of one shirt will be 300 naira. Now, I haven't gotten the cost of one shirt. We're now asked how much would 6 shirts cost. If one shirt costs 300 naira, 6 will be 6 times 300 naira. So 6 shirts will be equals to 300 naira times 6, which is equals to 1,800 naira. That will be the cost of 6 shirts. So when you have a question like this, what you need to do, if they tell you that the cost of some bunch of shirts or whatever, they give you the total price. For you to get the price of one, you divide it by the number of things or items that was bought. Then if you go further and you ask how many does so number cost, you multiply the cost of the number they are giving you here, in this case is 6, times the cost for one, and you get the answer. There's another way of solving it. Now look at 4 shirts. 4 shirts ratio, that's 1,200, is equals to, now how much is 6 shirts? So 6 shirts ratio, the amount, let's say it is x, it is x. Now so this becomes 4 over 1,200 is equals to 6 over x, cross multiply. You have 4x is equals to 6 times 1,200. So 4x is equals to 7,200. Divide both sides by 4. So our x is equals to 1,800 naira. Anyone you like, any method you like, you can use. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed the class for today. If you enjoyed the class, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Mickey Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section. I'll be there to attend to you. If you're yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. To meet again in the next Mickey Masters, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.